Alright, hi everyone. In this video, I will be making, or I will do an exercise on CloudFormation and S3 bucket that is hosting a static website. Alright, so to begin, we are going to find um, our CloudFormation scripts or CLI command, right? So let's find our CloudFormation. So this one here is our CloudFormation directory, and this is going to upload a CloudFormation or create a CloudFormation stack, which is going to create an S3 bucket, and then this script here is going to upload our Angular website. So this Angular website or app or build has Auth0 installed on it. So the authentication is Auth0, and we all have already set up a website or web app in Auth0 to have a client ID, and then yeah, that will serve as the authentication provider for this web app, which is going to be hosted in AWS S3 bucket. All right, so we already have a build for this one, but if you don't trust me, let us remove our ref dist, right, and then ng build this. So to set up an Angular with Auth0 authentication is very simple. You just need to follow the instruction. When you build the web app in Auth0, there's already an instruction how to do it. So now we have a dist again, a dist folder. Because we just executed the ng build. Now we will recursively upload this to the newly S3 bucket that was created because we executed a CloudFormation command. Alright, so this is now uploaded to our S3 bucket, and then we will check our S3 bucket if it is already uploaded. So as you can see, there you go, we have an S3 bucket in here that was created by the CloudFormation, and then there's the files that we just uploaded. And this one has the property, this one is configured as a static website, and then visit if we visit that link, it's gonna give us the website, but now it's not loading because Auth0 wants it to be serve as an HTTPS. So to make an S3 bucket serve in an HTTPS, an HTTPS, we will use the CloudFront. So the CloudFront service is a how do we call it? A CDN. So it's a content delivery network, right? CDN, and it's going to serve as it will make your website faster because it's going to be deployed to multiple um, regions. Yeah, I have to review that one. It will be deployed to multiple locations, then that will be like the nearest to your visitor, your user. Yeah, I'm not sure if that was explained correctly. So let's create a new distribution. So this distribution is going to point a target that will be the origin domain of the cloud for the CloudFront. So it's like if you have a elastic load balancer, a gateway, or and in our case this is a Amazon S3, the CloudFront will be distributed in front of that service. Then it's going to, yeah, we already have this. So then it's gonna detect that this S3 bucket has static website hosting enabled. If you plan to use this distribution as a website, we recommend using the S3 website endpoint rather than the bucket endpoint. So we're gonna follow it. We use the website endpoint, and yeah, I think that's it. And then we go down. Not sure. Yeah, I think we don't have to do anything here for now. And then we're gonna do not enable security protections. Then we will create the distribution. All right, and then there you go. The status is deploying, and then this one here will now be an HTTPS, right? Oops, so I believe it's not yet completely deployed. Let's check the status. It's enabled, it's deploying. Refresh, refresh. Let's see if it's already deployed. Nope, it's still deploying. So last time, even though it's deploying, I've already like able to visit the URL, but right now seems like it doesn't work yet. Yeah, it should be HTTPS. All right. So where would you go? Where would you go? Try to do a lasso. Could you run into? Could you run into? Could you go run into me? Where would you go? Where? Let's review the origin. So this one, I believe it's all set correctly. HTTP and HTTPS. The status is still deploying. Yeah, still deploying. Where would you go? Where would you go? Trying to do a lasso. Could you run into? Could you run into? Could you go run into me? Where would you go? Where would you go? Trying to do a lasso. Could you run into? Could you run into? Could you? Oh, where would you go? Where would you go? Try to do a lasso. Alright, so it's loading now. Alright, and then um hold on. Somebody's chat giving yeah, right. So this one here, if you log in, it's already working. No, what's going on? What's this? Yeah. Because we need to add this to our Auth0 application. The the allowed origins. All right, all right, all righty. All right, so let's save this. And then let's log in again. All right, it will prompt us with a logged in. Oops, it's already log in. Let's log out. Log in. Yeah, it will prompt us to log in. And there you go. All right, so that's it, ladies and kids. That's how we do it. CloudFront, S3 bucket, Cloud Formation, Auth0. All right, cool. Thanks. Bye bye.